Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Magic Sweet Sakura. My name is Miss Squire, and today I am very proud to show you this. I'm going to put one together instead of doing a video of making multiple ones. Lamb's ear is the plant. It's my favorite plant. It's a house plant for me. You take off one leaf, you can blend it, you can put it in coffee, you can blend it into powder, put it in your lotion. You can put it in water and then add it to shampoo. You can just put the water in your hair and let it soak. Lamb's ear is soft. Soft makes your hair soft. Everything. Beautiful. Perfect. Healthy. We have a few healthy plants. When we get started today, I'm going to set it up like this. And we shall get this started. I have this. We're out here. Alright. Do that. And the package. This is such a present. Flare cups. I have rainbowy eucalyptus moringa trees. And I'm going to keep my world safe inside the house no matter what. And I have soybeans, lamb's ear, oregano, and acacia. And they're all going together with mashed potatoes, moringa powder, and soybean powder. Soybean powder is the dirt. Moringa powder is the dirt. That's what the seedlings and the plant roots are always going to be around. So the plants are going to be very healthy. Oh, I have sage, 4 different types of sage. Sorry about the camera. I don't have it. Up there. Let's use one of these cups. I used to want a cup right now. No, that's not going to work. Okay, where are we at? There we are. Look, that's some of the moss. Well pretty. Very soft. Here we are. Let's get it done. Let's do something good for our lives. What do we have in here? What did I have? We have soybeans. We have corn flour. We have moringa. And it looks like we have sage. We are missing plants.
What are we missing?
We are missing the lamb's ear and the rainbow eucalyptus, which is probably in the mailbox. So I have to go down there, but I'm going to do one video with these. And I will place the other seeds on top.
Oh, and moss. We have moss. So moringa and soybeans together. The soybeans is my secret farm fall that makes the nutrients in the soil better. It imitates the mother's womb the most, which is all the nutrients. Moringa, 10% more than oranges and bananas. So I have moringa mixed with soybeans. And then acacia flowers have extra white blood cell counts. So they help your white blood cells that fight infection. These 3 together alone with sage, so these 4 together is another pot. I'm going to go down and get the lamb's ear, and I'm going to mix them in, and then I'm going to do the moss. But this is a great combination for good starters. We have the soybean, and we have the moringa powder. So let's make one of these cups, and we'll get it started. This is fun. I need the mashed potatoes, too. Where did I put the mashed potatoes? Oh, mashed potatoes are coming later. This is This is a good start. I have mashed potatoes. I was using instant mashed potatoes as well as dirt. So mashed potatoes, soybean, and moringa. All three of those. I don't have every single product. I thought everything would be in there. But this is a good start, and I did get a lot. There was another plant I did not grab, and that was jewelweed, because that cures a lot of poisons. But I love this combination. I would have liked the mashed potatoes, but just this two alone is a great start. And I'm gonna use two of these because I don't like the holes in the bottom of it. I think there's a base set for it. I'm gonna just tilt them a little bit and push down. I'll probably stop the flow. All right, there we go. Let's open these up and get this started. Take my gloves off. This way, or I'll get the moringa on it. Moringa's good for your plants. It'll be good for my hands. You're gonna ruin my gloves. Okay, we got this started. So I don't need this cup of water now, because I was going to use that for the mashed potatoes. That was going to be fun. I'm going to have to use my teeth for this. I don't tend to, here I don't have to, I could probably rip it. Let's see. I'm going to have to use the stick. Let's get creative. There we go, there's the hole. Probably leave the hole that big. Some out in the world, that's okay. This is mashed soybean. This is good for the soil. This is the soil. This is the new soil. It's for the plants to eat. It's gonna be good. I'm definitely saving this. I'll do a second video when I have every single thing together. So we got all the soybean right there. Right there. Let's throw a little bit more moringa on top. There we go. And then, you know, as seeds say, I don't know if they've taught you this, but they said the seed can only go underneath of it, and so far. So we made one with moringa. Moringa the tree. This is a very good tree. 10% more than all of these different plants. Here it is. Here it is. We got this together. Let me grab the camera. See, we got it together. Soybeans, powder, moringa powder. I was supposed to put mashed potatoes, but I didn't. So this must be even better, because mashed potatoes are potassium, and I love mashed potatoes as a veggie. So, yeah, they tend to stay off the potatoes, and I would have still loved potatoes. Probably try that one day. Makes a plant better. Here's the moringa. There's the moringa right there. I'm gonna just and set that right here. Wow. There it is. You can set them on top like that. You can push a hole. Pop it down in there a little bit. There we go. The moringa's in the tree. Alright, now what next? The rest of them. I don't know if we should do some different stages in one together and make a massive stage. There's connections for everything. I really wish I had those lamb's ears right now. Coneflower. This coneflower is white blood cells. So moringa mixed with the coneflower. They're going to grow up together in the same cup, which means as a soft little seedling, they're all together. And I don't know if this is going to do anything
but it might actually turn them into a new species of ultra health. So here we go. Got a couple in there. It's just the coneflowers. Awesome. There's the coneflowers. Take some. Give it to the world. Coneflowers. Soybeans. Soybeans. That actually makes the couch mixed with sugar. Take the soybeans, the mother's nutrients. Maybe I should grab a little on this side. We have a 10-minute video here. Soybeans. I'm gonna put 3 in here, maybe 2. Is there 4? So let's put 4 in here. How adorable is this? How adorable is that? That's adorable. Alright. Alright. No, I'll just gently place this like it. And then let's pick a sage out. Make a cup. Sage. You know, they said if you needed a sage for the good spirits, we have all these blue sage, regular sage, white sage, scarlet sage. Well, for starters, let's just go with white sage. See if that blue is my favorite color. This is my first cup. We'll do white sage and see how that turns out in this one. And this will be, what is in there is coneflowers, white sage, coneflowers, white sage, soybeans, and moringa tree. And this is a plant. And that is that. And thank you so much for watching. That was a lot of fun. So here we are. Let's make a shorter video. Hello everybody, I'm Masby from Masby Seckler. So as you can see, I have moringa powder, soybean powder, and the seeds sitting on top. Seeds don't go farther down in there. You just set them on top like that. Watch them all grow together. This is very healthy. This has got soybeans, a moringa tree, anacia, and sage seeds. All together, white blood cells, mother's womb nutrients, the soybeans, a moringa, a whole tree. You can do it without the tree if you want. And all it's missing right now is lamb's ear, but this is a nice mix together for the seedlings. And we have this cup. The dirt is moringa powder and soybean powder. Thank you everybody for watching.